Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo N53 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings. So let's enter the settings which are in the right upper corner, and here localize the timer. We've got three different options, so the off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. I want to use 10 seconds delay, just tap on it and it will be immediately applied. Let's go back, and unfortunately here we do not have any icon, any information that we've got the timer set. So you can be surprised if you will forget that you've set the timer previously. Alright, so all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, of course you can turn it off the same way. Just enter the settings, tap on the timer and tap on off. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.